You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibe.
Hey everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on, as you can see, with another lovely wedding / home decor idea to share with you guys. Yes, I am. And you know what? If you're new here, welcome. And I hope you press that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And for all my returning subbies, thank you so much for clicking on today to see the DIY that I have to share with you. So let me get started with sharing with you guys how we are going to make this lovely centerpiece. So you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we have this vase here that we are going to bling out with our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled that I cut into strips. And we're just going to use some hot glue and glue them down. And of course you can use any adhesive that you would like for your project. But I'll just be using some hot glue.
She so vibe, she so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing.
And I will just be gluing 4 strips onto the 4 sides of the vase. I'm just gonna eyeball it and measure the strips on each side, and let's just glue them down. Can measure the space in between each strip, like between the 4 strips that I'm gonna put down, but I'm not going to. Like I just told you, I'm just eyeballing it and then laying them down on the vase.
You stay on my mind, all night. Need you right now. Need you right now. 'Cause I need a woman in soul.
Okay, now that we have our strips down, which I think I did a pretty good job eyeballing it, don't you think? Yeah. Now we are going to use some gems and line them up beside the strips of our face. Well, not actually line them up. I'm going to you'll see. I'm just going to put them down. Just keep watching.
We're just vibing. We're just vibing.
As you see here, I'm putting one on each side, just slightly above the other. Zigzag going all the way up.
Just for your attention, I work hard for it. For you, call me up right now, girl, I recover. And I realize that I've made a big mistake, choosing material things over you. Call me, young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry.
Alrighty, now that we have them all zigzagged going all the way up, it looks very nice, just like this also. So now I'm going to use some Mod Podge and some white glitter. Yeah, I like this white glitter, it's so nice. So we're just going to add the Mod Podge to our vase, and then we're just going to put the glitter. We're going to add it everywhere.
I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah, you beside me. Beside me. Yeah, you beside me. When I had you, I was okay. Even though when we go out, girl, I would feel like all day.
And I'm just going to add 1 coat of the glitter to each section because the white glitter covers very good. You don't need to put 2 or 3 coats of it onto the project unless you want to, but 1 coverage does a very good job. So I'm just going to do it all the way around on the 4 sides, and then we'll put it down and let everything dry.
Cause now it's a different love. I'm a double better love. I'm a better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me.
And here is our finished look. Part of our finished look. And I just glued the two vase together. And for the bottom piece, I had already had that, so I just reused it. And I will leave a link with the cards up above for you guys, anyone who doesn't know how to do it. I have a video showing you how I bling out the vase just like that, so I'll leave the card above so you guys can have a look at that. But I think it looks very nice, just like this. Very, very nice. And the glitter looks really nice on it. And here we go with the lights. Yes, I have some LED lights from the dollar store, the push lights. I have one in the top vase and one on the bottom vase. And doesn't that look lovely? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I think it makes a nice statement all by itself. For anyone that does not want to use flowers, you don't have to have flowers in your centerpiece. You can go just like this with just the vase. Does it look absolutely beautiful? I think it does. So you know I like showing you ideas, giving you different ideas for you to do for your event decorating, yes? And I think it looks absolutely beautiful all by itself, just like this.
You say that you don't need man, but I'm seeing all these different men. Girl, what is you?
And now I'm going to show you with the lights dim. Yeah. This is how it would look. I didn't use all my lights off. I just put some of them off. Because you know when you go into your event hall, the lights are not completely dark. They're just dimmed a bit. You know, so this will look absolutely beautiful on your table. Yes, it will. A lovely centerpiece to help brighten up and liven up your hall. It will look absolutely beautiful like it does here with a slight dim hall. I've been to lots of functions and the hall is just lightly dimmed a bit, you know, and with the lighted centerpiece on the tables, it looks beautiful. And here is our masterpiece. Yes, with the flowers on top. OMG. I think it looks, like I said, once again, I think it looks beautiful. I like it with the lights and the frosted. Oh, the white glitter gives it the frosted look. Very nice.
It's all my fault, said it's all my fault. If I didn't lie, you would be here now. And I respect that you.
So, like I tell everyone, you can go with the plain vase.
You are all that I need more. And one more chance is all I need, babe.
Or you could go with the flowers in the vase.
I say I made a mistake.
Whichever look you choose, I think you will make a bold statement for this spring and summer 2020 on your event table, whether it's bridal, a christening, a baby shower, 50th, 60th, 30th birthday party. Whichever your event that you're planning, it will look stunning on your table. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's DIY. Give me your thoughts in the comment down below. Yes, leave me a comment. And you know what? Press that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know how much you like this DIY. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you guys today. And you know what? Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
You so vibey, you so vibey.